Right, we've made it back to the mango tree on our way into the Glasshouse. Hopefully we find this drone of Darren's. It's a $2,000 drone, and yeah, we'll see how we go. He set the drone to follow mode, and we rode for about 100 metres and it was following us, so we took off. And we drove for, I don't know, a kilometre, I guess, close to that, and we turned around, there was nowhere in sight. And then it became a bit of a panic to locate it and get it to fly towards us. Then the battery died really quick and he just had to land it. So we're unsure which road he's landed it beside. So last night he got more information on GPS coordinates for where it's located, and we're very hopeful that we can find it, and we've probably ridden past it and just couldn't see it. And that brings you across to Brisbane Woodford Road. Glasshouse Mountains lookout that way, and Old Gympie Road keeps going up there. This is still Brisbane Woodford Road. Journey to find the missing drone. A bit washed out, this one. Couple of rocks. Darren's taking us into Yowie country. I don't know where that goes. Yeah. Yeah, mate, I'll get out of your way. Yep. Well, the Yowie country is not the right way we need to go, as that runs into a very find a different way. Make sure room to get through. Coming, sweet. I'll have to just roll off here a minute. So this is the area it says that it's in. Yep, got it. Yep, up here. Sweet! Look at that. That's fucking awesome. I kind of thought it could be 50 metres either side of where it says.
Beautiful.
There you go, man. Return to its rightful owner. That's crazy. Did they get rain out here last night? Or just the cold, yeah? Oh yeah, because it would have been warm probably when it stopped. Oh, good. We'll have a break now. That's fantastic. Well, at least you know that app for GPS locations works. Yeah. We actually rode back and forwards past here a few times yesterday. But the way it was sitting in the grass.
It retains ever so slight bit of power.
Oh yeah.
It's got a battery management circuit in there.
The way it was sitting in the grass, it was sort of on the side. Yeah. So as we were driving past, we couldn't see it from the bushes. Oh, that's fucking awesome. Holy Jesus, another big snake. Holy hell. Oh, Darren's having a go on the 650. up, these things, don't they? They feel very sort of motocrossy in the cockpit. I guess only a little bit more power than the 250, but not really noticeable. Probably notice it more on a hill or something, I guess. Or in tighter spots, I don't know. Well, even over a few short kilometres, it's feeling comfortable.